Imagine a Chinese energy storage solution engineered for the future. Vanadium Flow Batteries, VFBs, deliver unparalleled flexibility, scaling effortlessly to meet growing energy demands. Inherently safe, their non-flammable water-based electrolyte enables deep discharge without damage, translating to an exceptional lifespan of 25 years or more, and over 13,000 cycles with no capacity loss. With a 2-minute startup and rapid 0.02 second state switching, they respond instantly to grid fluctuations. And with vanadium's full recyclability, these batteries deliver sustainable power without compromise. China isn't waiting for the future, it's building it. As the leading global producer of vanadium, China is deploying this homegrown solution across the country. By 2024, cumulative installations reached approximately 2,997 megawatt-hours, powered by over 13,000 metric tons of pure vanadium. With landmark projects such as the 400 megawatt-hour system in Dalian and a 1 gigawatt-hour system in Xinjiang, growth is surging. Combined, new deployments currently under construction will require more than 31,000 metric tons of pure vanadium. In just the first quarter of 2025, China used over 3,100 tons of vanadium in energy storage, nearly triple 2019's total. Behind this scale lies a secure and robust supply chain of Chinese vanadium electrolyte and battery manufacturers. And these batteries don't just power systems, they power policy. China has committed to over 30 gigawatts of new energy storage by 2025. Backed by national goals to peak emissions by 2030 and achieve carbon neutrality by 2060. Chinese-made and Chinese-supplied vanadium flow batteries are here. Powerful, proven, plentiful. Engineered for what's next. To view all vanadium flow battery projects and find out more, visit vanitech.org.